welcome to my first YouTube video. I know it's called Kaisa Outside, but we are obviously inside today. The pollution in Minneapolis is like unhealthy right now because of the forest fires, so no outdoor activities for the past couple of days. And so I'm gonna take this opportunity to prepare for my upcoming outdoor adventures by working on some make your own gear M.Y.O.G projects. And I am still a beginner at making my own gear, so this is like you guys are gonna see the journey. I got these 2 kits. Well, I actually got 3 kits. I already made one of them, which I'll show you, but I have 2 more kits from Ripstopbytheroll, and we're gonna make this one today and see how that goes. It is a roll top dry bag with Dyneema. I have been sewing since I was a kid. I've made everything from like dresses, pants, t-shirts. I have made like a few bags before, but not out of like technical fabric. So this is gonna be like learning for me. I've also never really used buckles or anything like that. Like the bags I made were super simple, maybe a zipper. So yeah, I'm really excited to learn how to make my own gear. We got purple, which on Ripstopbytheroll you can like pick your own color. They have a whole chart of thousands of colors you could pick from, like the exact shade you want. One of my favorites, you guys will learn this if you continue watching my videos, is I'm like obsessed with purple, light purple. And yeah, I was just gonna do like a sew along vlog, sew with me kind of vlog. I like watching those, so maybe somebody out there will like watching this one. So yeah, let's get started. If you asked me a few months ago how to make a dry bag, I would not have had a clue. Like most people, I just bought outdoor gear and never really thought about how it was made. I just click a few buttons online and it would show up at my door ready for my next adventure. But this year, I'm trying something different. Instead of buying new gear, I want to learn how to make it.
That scene, we're going to go ahead and fold out the parachute. We're going to that to the line. I'll usually just scratch.
This roll top dry bag is my second M.Y.O.G project, or make your own gear project. And while it's a pretty simple one, the skills I learn will help me make more complex projects down the line. It's a small project, but I'm learning how technical fabrics behave, how outdoor gear is constructed, and why certain design choices matter. My main goal is to make my own pack for backpacking, but right now that seems like a huge ordeal, so I'm starting small, one project at a time, one skill at a time, and one mistake at a time.
Stitched and taped, we're going to go ahead and turn our bag right side up. Once you've got your dry bag turned to the right side out, you're going to take your polyfill webbing and you're going to measure out exactly the width of the opening of that dry bag. Trim and burn. Now this polyfill web.
One thing I've already noticed is how much more I appreciate the gear I already own. Before this, I never thought much about my gear and how it works. Now I look at every seam, every buckle, every roll top closure and realize someone had to figure out how all those pieces work together. Making something yourself changes the way you see it. I think that's one of my favorite things about making gear or making anything in general. When you buy something, you end up with a product, but when you decide you're gonna make something, you end up with a product and a new skill because you've learned how to make it. And those skills add up. This project taught me a little more about working with technical fabrics. The next one will probably teach me something different. Eventually, all these lessons will add up to something much bigger. Hopefully, a backpack I can make myself.
We can go ahead and separate that.
It might just be a small dry bag, but it's another step toward a goal that feels a little less intimidating than it did a few months ago. I think we're done. We did it. Okay, well, let's test it out first. Let's test it out. What should we put in here? I have this purple sun hoodie in my new purple bag. Nice. Clip. I did it. That is so awesome. I mean, I guess I'm gonna have to test the waterproofing on it. Gonna have to like take it out to a lake or something. But yeah, it's not perfect. Like, like that's not perfect. But guys, this is my second M.Y.O.G project, so it's good, you know? It's fine. Okay, I love it. Sweet. This was a super good project. It was my first time using the tape, the Dyneema tape, and I don't know what I was so afraid of. Like, that was easy. Sewing on these buckle things was probably the most awkward part. As you can see, like, I couldn't get it to be the perfect X, so I probably just needed to like move this over a little bit more, give it more slack on this side so I could get my presser foot down, because the problem was I couldn't like get the presser foot down because the buckle was there. So I think next time I just need to move it over a little bit more. Yeah. Other than that, I'm pretty happy with it. Thanks for watching. I think I want this channel to be like, well, I want to like show the projects I make and stuff, and I also want to do some like vlogs of actually getting outside, like my actual adventure vlogs. So, because I love filming stuff, I love taking pictures, getting videos. So yeah, it's about time I start that vlog. So here it is. And yes, purple. Okay. See you in the next video.